Welcome back to Driveline. The wait is over. The legend of the city streets has been reborn, sharper, smarter, and more fearless than ever. The 2026 Toyota Yaris Hatchback is not just an update. It's a bold statement that small cars can be just as thrilling, futuristic, and feature-packed as larger SUVs. Toyota has completely reimagined the Yaris for a new generation of drivers who demand efficiency, technology, and style, all in one compact powerhouse. Striking exterior, small but fearless. The new Yaris Hatchback breaks away from the ordinary. Its aggressive front fascia is dominated by a wide mesh grille, flanked by slim LED headlights with arrow-shaped DRLs that give it a bold, determined look. Sharp body creases along the side enhance aerodynamics while projecting a sporty character. At the rear, the hatch gets a full-width LED light bar that stretches across the tailgate, paired with a sculpted bumper that emphasizes its dynamic stance. With 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels, floating roof design, and a refreshed palette of youthful colors, including striking neon lime, pearl white, and crimson red, the 2026 Yaris is designed to turn heads in the city and beyond. Interior, compact, yet premium. Step inside, and the Yaris Hatchback feels anything but small. Toyota has elevated the cabin with a driver-centric cockpit wrapped in soft-touch materials, accented with piano black trims and customizable ambient lighting. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, complemented by a fully digital 10.5-inch instrument cluster. A head-up display, HUD, is available on higher trims, projecting vital information directly onto the windshield. Space optimization is key. Despite its compact footprint, the Yaris offers impressive rear legroom, foldable rear seats, and clever storage compartments, making it practical for urban lifestyles without compromising comfort. Powertrain options, efficiency meets excitement. Toyota ensures the Yaris Hatchback caters to different driving styles by offering multiple powertrain choices. 1.5L 3-cylinder dynamic force engine with direct injection for a balance of power and fuel efficiency. 1.5L hybrid system, combining gasoline and electric power to deliver outstanding fuel economy. Perfect for city commuters. GR Sport variant, expected in some markets. Tuned with sportier suspension, dynamic styling upgrades, and paddle shifters for an extra thrill. With CVT and 6-speed manual transmission options, the Yaris 2026 is engineered to appeal to both practical drivers and driving enthusiasts alike. Technology and safety, a smarter compact car. The 2026 Yaris Hatchback is loaded with Toyota's latest Safety Sense 4.0, which includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, road sign assist, automatic high beams. Additionally, the car is equipped with a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, making it one of the safest cars in its segment. Why the 2026 Yaris Hatchback matters. In an era dominated by SUVs and crossovers, the Yaris Hatchback proves that compact cars are far from irrelevant. It's stylish, efficient, technologically advanced, and still affordable. Exactly what young drivers and city dwellers are looking for. Toyota is positioning the 2026 Yaris not just as a budget-friendly car, but as a cool, connected, and confident urban companion that redefines what a hatchback can be. Final thoughts. The 2026 Toyota Yaris Hatchback is the bold reinvention we've all been waiting for. With its striking design, futuristic interior, efficient yet exciting powertrains, and advanced safety, the Yaris is once again ready to claim its spot as the undisputed king of compact cars. For those who thought hatchbacks were a thing of the past, Toyota just proved otherwise.